Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking at the last episode of the Scratch Academy, and next week it will be about how we will practice to make games with what we have learned in the Academy. Today we will be looking at lists or arrays, and that is very much used during games. Okay, let's start this. First, I will remove the cat. Then I will make a new sprite. I make this button. I will have different color. Then I make like this, and I will have a different background for the text, the color for the text. I will have add to list. Then I will copy this one, duplicate, and here I will have remove item, and on the next we will show items, on the next clear all items, and we will have a place item, okay. We have all these sprites here now, and then I will just name this add delete show clear replace, and then I will put it to 20% of the size, so we will have all on the same screen here. We can also add one more. We will have random. Pick random. Like this. Then when we go to the first one here, the add, then I will first have this code. When we click the flag, then we will do something, but first I will make a list or an array. I will call it my list. Then, to be sure that the list is empty, I will delete all of my list. I will see here, my list is here. Then I will hide the list now, so it will not be visible. Because we have all the buttons here instead to use them. Then when we click the sprite add, then we will ask what item do you like to add? And then we will add the answer. To the list that we have created. Let's try. Add to list. What item do I like to add? Food. Now the item is in the list. But we cannot see it because we hid our list when we start the program. But what we will do, we will go to the show item, and when we click that one, then we will show the entire list. Then we will wait for 3 seconds, and then we will hide the list again. Let's try. Add the list, food, show items, food is in the list. Then we have those two. Clear all items. This one. When this part is clicked, then we will clear it all. Then we can go to this one, replace item. And then we will place by first going to when this part is clicked. Then we will ask replace item with what? And then we will replace the first item on the list with the answer. We can also change this number to the second or third item, but in this example we have item number 1 on the list. Then we will also have the move item. Delete. When this part is clicked, then we will delete the first item of the list. And then we have the last one, we had the random. When this part is clicked, then we will set the counter we make this variable called counter, and then we will pick random from 1 to the entire length of the list. So if it's 10 items in the list, then you pick a random from 1 to 10. If it's 20, you pick a random from 1 to 20, and so on. And then we will say which item it picked. And then let's say I picked item number counter for 2 seconds. we can have this counter here now, and then I can remove it later. Let's try. We will add to list. We will have food. We will have drink. We will have eat and sleep. Now I will show the whole list: food, drink, eat, sleep. Then I will pick a random. I picked item number 3. Item number 3 is eat. Then we can remove item number 1, that is food. It is removed. And now it's only drink, eat, sleep left. Then we can place drink with banana. Show items, banana, eat, sleep. Perfect. And then if we clear all items and show items, the list is empty. That was all for today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.